Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix Ghost Touch problem for Sony Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So, first of all, the Ghost Touch problem refers to the problem in which we can touch our screen, and yet our screen registers multiple touches, almost like a ghost is touching our screen. Ooh. Basically, this is the name of the achievement, the issue. So how can we possibly fix this? Well, there isn't much software-related things I can show you. The only thing I can think of is if we go to the settings, and then if we head into display, right at the bottom we have prevent accidental operations with screen off. Technically, if you have this enabled, you shouldn't have an issue with any of that, hopefully, surely, but most issues with Ghost Touch problems are actually resolved when you fix the touch protector or just screen protector. If you have it installed wrongly or it's not legit screen protector, then you have troubles because, well, you have wrong screen protector. Especially if it's cheap or very poor made, you might have troubles. Though I've heard people who have troubles with their touch screen not being responsive at all, or some people actually have too responsive touch screen, which is quite interesting. But basically, you want to remove your screen protector, make sure it's cleaned up. Oh, sorry for my hair. You can use some sort of microfiber cloth like this, so you can remove the screen protector, clean your device, then try to install it once again, and once again, make sure that it's legit. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.